Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring the TONOR TM20 microphone. So now it's been almost a year since we've been doing our conferencing through either Teams, Zoom, and other features. Now it's more than necessary that we need to have any kind of a better microphone, especially if you're going to start doing more of meetings one-on-one or a group of three. Now this one works up to 16 feet, so it could be a whole different room and everybody could do the 6 feet apart. This is a great item to have. Three different lighting sources, of course, indicating that one's mute, one's on, and then the other one is disconnected. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase them like this. So necessary these days? Yes, indeed it is. And now this one has noise cancellation. We're going to put a test to that, and also see if I can use some of my conference calls in my Teams. We'll try to see if we can test this out today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So off the front, if you guys see it, 2-year warranty, and they're very reliable. TONOR makes a lot of great products. I personally use 2 of them for my stream, so highly recommend their microphones. Really good. So we're going to take a look at this one in particular and see how good this one is compared to other ones. So right now I'm using my Yeti. We're going to disconnect in a bit after this, and then we're going to start using only this one. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Your support card, and then you get their manual, of course. Every instructions in there. So you need to enable it and make it a default, and that's a little tough for some people that are not computer savvy, but if you follow the instructions in here, it could help you out step by step. And it's it's in full color, so you won't miss anything. And it comes for both, either Windows or also Apple machines. So very thorough, very easy to use. We're gonna put that inside. Type C. They give you a Type C connection, regular USB, and then they give you on the other end Type C connection. If you see that. Now, the microphone itself is super thin. A little heavy, has a lot of weight to it. We're gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna put the microphone down. Sensor touch, I guess. We're gonna take a look at it. Rubber ends at the bottom, so it won't move from it. It's pretty fixed in one area. Pretty simple to set up. It's just basic plug and play. We're gonna disconnect our main microphone right now, and we're gonna go ahead and they give you a long cable. I was thinking about like 10 feet cable. They give you like a 10-foot cable, Type C. So this is really handy. So we're gonna plug it in, and we're gonna start using this microphone as the main mic, and then we're gonna do noise cancellation, see if it does work with some music in the background. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now we have the mic as the main mic, and I can see the actual mic meter picking up a little bit. We're gonna put it as high as we can. So I'm a little bit away from it right now. I'm like maybe like a foot or two and away from it. The microphone is very simple. It's a touch feature that you basically just touch with your finger and it automatically mute. We're gonna be talking 1 2 3 4 3 4 1 2 3 4. That was a mute feature, of course. Blue is indicating it's on, and active. Red is mute, and white is going to be that it's got disconnected. We're going to put some music here on the background here that I have some speakers setting up, and see if it picks up either picks up my direction, my voice. My voice is directly to here, but it could be I'm gonna spin this around, see how well it works. So we're gonna spin it one spin right now. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. We're back in the front. So I spin this around, and hopefully it's going to work a little bit better if you guys could hear it. Now we're going to play some music in the background, and if I'm talking, I'm going to start counting to maybe 100. So we're going to go ahead and do that, or we're gonna say something and just continuously talk. All right, so let's go ahead and play some music in the background. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. You're having a meeting, your kids are in the background playing around, and it's the speakers are close by. We're not putting them far away. So I'm talking here. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. We're playing music in the background at the same time playing with this. So if you have any people in the background, I don't know if they're gonna be able to understand you or not. So we're gonna I'll find out after I review the video how well it works. But right now, this is pretty much what it is. We're gonna do at the end. We're gonna come back and say, my 2 cents, of course, of how it is. All right, we just stopped the music right now, and I'm gonna go back and review the video, see how it sounds. All right, after reviewing the audio, it's not that bad. You can still hear the music on the background, but it's a little bit more muffled than my voice. So my voice you can actually hear. This will be great for a podcast. So if you set it up in the main center of the actual desk, you can record multiple people, of course, and up to 16 feet, like I said. So I like the way it is right now, and it sounds pretty good. It actually sounds as much as better as my Yeti almost, you know. So it's pretty clear, pretty easy to set up, easy to use. I'm actually using my phone to record audio, and I'm gonna put this right here, testing 1, 2, 3. We're gonna test it out, and I'm gonna push mute 1, 2. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. So it's on mute now, and you see the blue one. So I'm actually putting it really close to my face. I know it's probably going to be loud, but I'm using my phone. I connected directly to Droid, Type C to Type C connection into the Droid, and I'm using this as a mobile station to record audio. I don't think nobody has done something like this, and if this is really positive, it's gonna work for any kind of interviews. This is a great item. Then you could use this for anywhere. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, we're gonna do this. Let me see, audio, speaker. We're gonna go into toner. There we go. Camera. Okay. So far so good. All the products that I have received are you know, top-notch products from Toner. I bought a couple of them here. I own many of them. I use them on my stream, and this is a great companion for anybody that's going to do conferencing, especially these days that we're all working from home. We need those Zoom meetings. We don't want to, you know, carry things that are too heavy. This is really slim. If you guys see it, of course, you're not going to hear me if I change it around. It's going to be more muffled, but if you can see, it's like half an inch. It's really light. It has a weight, but it's light to carry around and put in your pocket, and your backpack, your purse, whatever it is. This is a great product to carry around. If you're gonna do conference calls, this is another great product, like I said. But it's one of those things that people have to understand that, you know, these days this is the new norm. Doing meetings from home, doing meetings from you know, park cars and stuff like that. And sometimes the laptops don't have the greatest microphone. This is a great option for all those out there. It doesn't need any batteries, no batteries required. It works out of the same power as your accessories that you guys have, your laptop, your desktop, your pretty much everything else. So this is a great product. I like it. So if you have any questions on any of the products, please let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.